Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding Gadgets. Today I am unboxing the Innovv N1 Pro system. This consists of a 6-inch display which runs CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as two dash cams, one for the front, one for the rear. They're both high def at 1080p, 30 frames per second. Now, if you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll know that I fitted the third eye blindside detector, which is a fantastic piece of kit, very well made and works extremely well. And I also fitted the Power Hub 3 for drawing power from an ignition switch source. Now, that's especially relevant if you have a CAN bus powered bike system, electrical system, because you can't just take power from anywhere, and you want it to switch off with the ignition and not stay live, like wiring straight to the battery. So I've already got that fitted, which means fitting this and drawing power for it is going to be much easier for me. Right, so let's have a look at this. This is the box that it comes in. Innovv do make quite nice boxes for this stuff, and it just gives it a better quality feel. Right, this is sealed, so I haven't opened this. I'm doing this as I film, because I haven't actually had a look at it yet. Let's break the seal. Okay, this is similar to the box the third eye blindside detector came in. It's a very kind of similar look and feel, but it is a quite nice box. Right, foam cover for protection. So what's inside? Right, so immediately you can see the unit and the two dash cams. Let's take the unit itself out. Right. Okay, I'm going to have to take the whole thing out. Some wires are attached to the back. There. Let's have a look at the unit. Right, there's some foam protecting the mount. Now, immediately you can see this is quite a high quality unit. I mean, this mount is really nice. The unit itself is a decent size. So these will be the connections for power and for the two dash cams, I would imagine. So that's what's there. Let's see what comes with it. Right, these are some of the mounts. These are more mounts, must be for the dash cams and stuff. Right, that's a power cable. Yep, that's a power cable. And I'm not sure what this one is for, but I think it's probably for the dash cam that runs to the back of the bike, so that would need to be longer, I would imagine. Anyway, I'll find out when I start looking at it all in detail. Some zip ties and some tools. And I think this is the main mount for the dash cam itself. Let's have a look at this. Yep, that's the main mount for the unit itself. Oh, I think that must go on like that there. I'll figure that out in a minute. But yeah, so that's what it all comes with. Nice piece of kit, and I'm looking forward to getting this onto the bike. I think this is going to be quite nice.